Hi, Busker909 here. I got this little blues lesson I thought might be helpful. I stole it off Sue Foley, blues guitar player. She's doing some lessons at Guitar World. She did this one lick that I'm going to show you, and I thought, ooh, we could use that. I don't think I've heard that anywhere on 3-string guitar. So I'll show it to you from the turnaround. So you basically have all the parts, and then I'll show you how you can fit it in to a blues. I'm tuned to open G, G, D, G. So up here, 9, 10, 11. And you can hammer them on. It might be good that you do that, actually. Then you go, leaving this one basically in position. Then you go to the middle string and do 10. And then 11 on the low. 9, 7. Like that. Or any variation. She does a little bit different, but I sort of simplified it just a hair. Like that. Move down 2 frets, do the same thing. So it would be 7, 8, 9. Then 8 on the middle, 9 on the low, 7 on the middle, and then 5. Then we're going to just go to 3 on the low, a little bit of a bend if you want or not. Open G. Then up here, 10 on the low, little finger on 12 on the high string. And finish the turnaround. 5, 6, 7. I'll play that to you up to the tempo that I'm sort of thinking of it. Now you need to sort of count it into the song. It comes in after a 3, 1, 2, 3 sort of thing. And I'm using it in a blues shuffle, in G of course. 4, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, 1, 3. Going to the 4 chord. So that's how you fit it in to the progression. I think it's pretty neat because you're going to the 3rd. This is the 3rd of the 4 chord, let's say. We go to the 4 chord. So instead of going, which is great, but it gets done a lot. Instead of doing that. And when you do that, you can even include the chord. If you need to spell it out and hear that root note sound. Same thing there, if you want. And to really confuse the issue, you can also do that. This is the 1, and this is the 3rd. So we're going from the 2nd to the 3rd. You can also do it down here on the 1 chord. I varied it a little bit there, just so you don't have to necessarily be stuck with exactly that lick. But it's a really neat way of moving into your 4 chord and your 5 chord that you don't usually hear on cigar box guitar anyway. Have a great day. Bye.